have a data of few stationery items and their price, and I wanted to know the price of each item separately. As you can see that some items are starting and ending with the word pen. First we will find the price of the pen using SUMIF function. Select the cell, type equal to SUMIF in the bracket. Select the range, that is the stationery items, comma, select the criteria, that is the item name, comma, the sum range should be the price value. Select the price range, bracket close and enter. The price of pen is displayed here. Now I want to know the sum of the items which starts and ends with the word pen. So there you will be applying asterisk at the start and end of the word pen and hit enter. And you will find the total sum of these selected items. If you want to know the total sum of the items that starts with the word pen, like pen pencil, pen drive, etc., there you will be typing pen followed by an asterisk and press enter. You will find the sum. Next, if you want to find the total sum of the items ending with the word pen, there you will type asterisk followed by pen and then press enter. I hope you learned something new and you found this video helpful and informative. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.